How to trim videos in NanoBanana.ai. First of all, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the NanoBanana.ai website. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Once you are on the website, click on Start Editing. You will see options such as Image Edit and Text to Image. Currently, NanoBanana.ai doesn't support uploading or trimming videos directly. If you want to trim videos for your project, you can create images or AI-generated visuals in NanoBanana.ai and then use external video editing software to trim, cut, or adjust your videos. This allows you to combine high-quality AI visuals with precise video edits. While NanoBanana.ai doesn't offer native video trimming tools, you can still enhance your video project by exporting AI-generated images and editing them in video editing software. Now you know how to handle video trimming in NanoBanana.ai and the best approach to integrate AI visuals into your trimmed video project. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.